So a little intro to this worksheet. It's like somebody already took the derivatives and set them equal to 0 and set up the number line and even did the test for you. This side of the worksheet is just about making the conclusions. So they did all of that pre-work where they used the quotient rule and the power rule and trig and all that stuff, and they said, okay, I did all the work. I just want you to tell me, if I spot you this graph or this table, where is G increasing? So you tell me, where is G increasing? How'd you know that? What's positive? G prime. I mean, you might make a note of that to yourself there, but the answer is -2 to 1. The justify is G prime is positive. G is decreasing. That would be where G prime is negative. -3 to -2. And 1 to 3. Extrema. Okay, but be more specific. You're right. What's going on at x equals -2? But which extrema is it? How'd you know that? Yep. And what's going on at x equals 0? How'd you know that? G prime changes positive to negative. G prime changes negative to positive. I want you, it doesn't ask you to, but I want you to justify all of the extrema. So that's only 3 times. And your justify is going to be the same every time. F prime changes positive to negative or negative to positive. So for all the extrema, I want you to justify.
Would the max be x equals 1?
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, x equals 1. Yeah, and that demonstrates this, I feel like this isn't hard. You just got to be careful at what you're looking at, and you try to go too fast like I did, you grab the wrong thing. At x equals 1, it changes it. F prime changes positive to negative, so that's a relative max.
So the POI
Uh-huh.
and the next one, how do you justify it?
So where is it?
-1.
You would say F, or well, in this case G. G double prime changes signs. Remember, POI doesn't have a positive to negative, negative to positive. It's just if it changes signs, it's a POI. So I think this side of the worksheet will go pretty quick because they've done all the hard work for you. You're just doing the concept conclusion stuff.
What is 2?
Number 2. I mean, it's a little weird because it gives you a ton of information. F prime and F double prime, positives and negatives all over the place. So it's the same stuff. You just got to be more careful because there's a whole bunch of information. In fact, let's do the first part together. Where is F increasing? So what am I looking for? If F is increasing, what's that mean? What's positive? So that's my Q. That's what I'm looking for. F prime is positive. From negative infinity to -1.
Oh. I didn't realize when it said x like that, that's what
and so on. So it's the same type question as number 1. There's just a whole lot more information all at once to force you to figure out, what am I looking at here?